The Hinyo Youth Council (HYC) today demanded the immediate eviction of illegal settlers residing at the plot of land near the Bara Bazar Fire and Emergency Service Station at Lom Survey, which falls under the jurisdiction of the Shillong Cantonment Board. Speaking to reporters, HYC President Roy Kupar Sinrem informed that a memorandum in this regard was submitted by delegation of the HYC to the SCB Chief Executive Officer Ayush Maurya during a meeting held today. Sinrem said that they had met the CEO demanding prompt action to be taken to evict these illegal settlers and demolish the settlement by the board. The HYC president also said that they were informed by the CEO that there is a litigation going on with this particular plot of land, but he does not know the exact status of the case.
From the land concerned. During a meeting today with the CEO, we have been informed that the particular plot of land, though it falls under Shillong Cantonment Board, but the authority which look after this plot of land is the Defence Estate Officer, whose main office is in Guwahati. And the CEO has also informed us that there is a litigation going on regarding to this particular plot of land. But then he doesn't know the status, the exact status of the case.
The Voice of the People Party